Welcome back everyone. Today we will see various essential functions in Excel for data preprocessing. Excel has functions and techniques which makes it easier to clean structured data. We'll discuss a few of many functions along with a few examples. First one, average. An average function measures central tendency, which is the location of center of group of numbers in a statistical distribution. Formula equal to average. We can see an example how to calculate an average using in Excel. Here we have the sample data set. You have to find the average of Mark 1 and Mark 2. Simply go to the average column and put the equation equal to average open bracket and select the topmost cell and enter. You will get the average of the selected record and then drag it to the entire column. You will get the average of the entire record. That's all. Okay, next we will see another function, sum. The sum function adds values. You can add individual values, cell reference or range for a mix of all three. Here we have the formula equal to sum. We can see an example. Here we have the data set. You have to find the sum of two marks, Mark 1 and Mark 2. Here Mark 1 is 50 and Mark 2 is 50. You have to find sum of two mark. Simply go to the sum column and give the equation equal to sum open bracket and select the topmost cell and enter. We'll get the sum of the selected record and drag it to the entire column. We'll get drag it to the entire column. We will get the sum of the entire record. Okay, and another function is len. Okay, len is another function for data analysis that essentially outputs a number of characters. We have the formula equal to len. Okay, we can see an example. Here we have the data set. You have to find length of the given record. Simply go to the length column and give the equation equal to len open bracket and select the topmost cell and enter. We'll get the length of the selected value and drag it to the entire column. We get the length of entire record. Okay, then next we go to see another function called max. A max function is used to find maximum value in the dataset. We have the formula equal to max. Okay, here we can see another example for the max value. Here we have the data set. Okay, you have to find the maximum value. Simply go to the max row and give the equation equal to max and open bracket and select that entire column and enter. We will get the maximum of the mark. 100 is the maximum mark. Okay, next we go to see another function. Is the last function of our section is a count. Count function is to count the number of cells that contain numbers. Okay, the formula is equal to count. You can see an example. Here the data set, we have to find the count of the numbers. Okay, go to the count column and give the equation count open bracket okay, and select the topmost record and enter. we'll get the count of the selected record, and right we'll get the count of the entire record. Okay, thank you guys for listening me. Thank you so much.